Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn anime character into a realistic human photo using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative platform or AI tools that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photos, avatar videos, product showcase, product photos, or will help you to edit any photos into your own styles and many more. And in here we will use this tool to turn your anime character into a realistic human photo. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this. You will see the home page like this. And then next, just go to Image Studio. And then after that, just choose AI Designs. Upload your photo like this. And then after that, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt, you can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just create it as you like. For example, like this, just transform this anime style character into a realistic human photo, blah blah blah, like this. And then just choose your AI model, and then just choose your ratio and resolutions like this. And then after that, just click submit. And okay, like this, you will see it. Okay, like this, I think the result it looks so cool. Your anime image will transform into a realistic human version while keeping the original character vibe. For my character that looks like this and into like this, it's really cool. It's really like a human version with the natural skin texture like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, maybe that's it. Next, maybe you can just try this tool yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.